you're serious about Forex trading, then what I'm about to share could be the most important message that you'll hear all year. I'm Dave Moffitt, head trader with Trade the Fund. And with over 15 years of hands-on experience, I understand the challenges that you face daily. Even the most seasoned traders can hit a plateau, missing out on more lucrative opportunities. That's why I've developed a one-of-a-kind webinar called Forex Your Forex. This isn't a typical trading webinar. It's geared towards intermediate and advanced traders like you who want to fine-tune their trading strategy. This exclusive webinar will empower you with cutting-edge techniques to optimize your existing trading strategies, advanced risk management principles designed for seasoned professionals, and insider tips and lessons that I've gathered over my 15-year trading journey. Don't just take my word for it. Hear what other traders are saying about Forexing your Forex.
That's 7% of my phone account today.
I never heard nobody break it down like this, man. You really, man, just revolutionized my thinking on this. Oh man, that's crazy. You're a genius, bro.
No, dude, real talk. Like this is this quality right here. You should be around the world, bro. People learning from it. This is crazy.
Every day, Dave blows our mind because he's a genius. We absolutely know that there is almost nobody on the worldwide interweb who does live trading like this, unlike Perry Group and Dave. So that's why there's so many of us that have learned so much, is because the other, I'd say 80 to 90% of what's out there is all recorded hindsight and not live trading.
Spots for this transformative webinar? Well, they're limited, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. So if you're serious about completely dominating your Forex game and gaining that consistency that you need, then click the link below to start Forexing your Forex.